Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session we discuss about the problems on bilinear transformation. In the previous class also we discussed about some problems on bilinear transformation. Today we discuss some more problems. Find the map of the real axis of the z plane in the w plane under the transformation w is equal to 1 divided by z plus I. Means here the image of the z plane is given. What is the image of the z plane? Image of the z plane is a real axis. Means x axis itself a image of z plane. So by using this transformation we find the image of w plane. Here real axis of the z plane means we consider y is equal to 0. Okay. Now consider the given transformation w is equal to 1 over z plus I. Now solve this for z. Therefore we take the cross multiplication. Z plus I is equal to 1 by w. That is z is equal to 1 by w minus I. Now substitute the value of z and also the value of the w. Z can be written as x plus iy and w is u plus iv. Therefore after substitution we get like that. Now take the LCM. LCM is u plus iv. After simplification we get x plus iy is equal to 1 minus iu plus v whole divided by u plus iv. Now apply the rationalization because u plus iv means imaginary term is present in the denominator. Here denominator should be a real part. Complex analysis means complex number means what? Complex number is always in the form of x plus iy. So here denominator is the imaginary value. Therefore apply the rationalization. What is the rationalization term? U minus iv. So multiply and divide by the rationalization term. Then we get this equation, that is u plus uv minus uv. That is nothing but u minus I into u square plus v square plus v whole divided by u square plus v square. Now comparing real part and imaginary part. X is equal to u divided by u square plus v square and imaginary y is equal to minus of u square plus v whole divided by u square plus v square. Now consider the image of the z plane. Image of the z plane is the real axis, that is y is equal to 0. Now in these two cases we take y value. What is y? Minus of u square plus v divided by u square plus v square. Substitute here. Then we get like that. Then take the cross multiplication. Then we get u square plus v is equal to 0. This equation represent the, what is this? This represents the circle equation. We know the circle equation. What is the standard circle equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this is in the form of like that. Therefore this represents the circle. Hence this is the image in w plane, means which represent a circle in w plane. Next one. Show that transformation w is equal to I minus z divided by I plus z maps the x-axis of the z plane onto the circle mod w is equal to 1 and the points in the half plane y greater than 0 onto the points mod w less than 1. In this problem, by using this transformation, we can show that the x-axis of the z plane is transformed to or mapped to the w plane like circle. What is the image in w plane? The image in w plane should be a unit circle. Means we prove that mod w is equal to 1. Mod w is equal to 1 means it represents the unit circle. And another case is there. What is another case? We take the another image of z plane. What is another image of z plane? The image of the z plane is half plane y greater than 0. Its image maps to w plane is mod w less than 1. So let us consider the given transformation. Given transformation is I minus z divided by I plus z. Now solve for z. Therefore we can take the cross multiplication. Then see, multiply I into w plus w into z is equal to I minus z. Now take minus z this side, we get zw plus z is equal to I. This iw becomes minus I into w. Now solve for z, that is z is equal to I minus iw whole divided by w plus 1. Therefore let z is equal to x plus iy and w is equal to what? U plus iv. Substitute this to here. Then we get like that. Now apply the rationalization. What is the rationalization for this? U plus 1 plus iv, that is u plus 1 minus iv. Now simplify this. We get uv plus v minus uv. Here uv get cancelled. Remaining is 2v divided by denominator plus I into u get cancelled. Remaining is 1 minus u square minus v square. Now comparing real and imaginary part, x is equal to 2v divided by u plus 1 whole square plus v square, and y is equal to 1 minus u square minus v square whole divided by u plus 1 whole square plus v square. Now consider the image of the z plane, that is case 1. Here we have two cases. One is real axis, x axis in z plane, that is y is equal to 0. Substitute y value 1 minus u square minus v square divided by u plus 1 whole square plus v square. Take the cross multiplication, we get 1 minus u square minus v square. Now rearrange this equation, we get minus u square minus c square is equal to minus 1. That is nothing but u square plus v square is equal to 1. This represents a unit circle with center as a origin. Now this can also be written in the form of mod w, because we know that w is nothing but, w means u plus iv. Then mod of u plus iv is nothing but square root of u square plus v square. When we are applying the squaring, then square root will be cancelled. Remaining is u square plus v square is equal to 1 square. Therefore this can also be written like that, mod w is equal to 1, which represent a unit circle with center is origin. Now we take the second case. What is the second case? Half of the plane. Half of the plane means y greater than 0. Now substitute y value. What is y value? 1 minus u square minus v square divided by u plus 1 whole square plus v square greater than 0. Take the cross multiplication and take 1 this side, we get minus u square minus v square is greater than minus 1. Now multiply by minus, otherwise apply the negation. When we are applying the negation, we get u square minus v square become plus v square. Negation of greater than is less than, and negation of 1 minus 1 is 1. U square plus v square is nothing but mod w. Mod w is less than 1. So this is the image of the w plane. If image y is equal to 0 in z plane, it mapped into the w plane, u square plus v square is equal to 1. If image is y greater than 0 in z plane, its image is, or it mapped or transformed to the w plane is u square plus v square is less than 1. Show that the transformation w is equal to I 1 minus z divided by 1 plus z transforms the circle with center, origin and unit radius of the z plane into the real axis of the w plane. Here we can, by using this transformation, we can show that the circle with center as a origin of unit radius means the unit circle of the z plane is mapped into the w plane, like that is nothing but real axis of W plane. Real axis of W plane is what? V is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಮಾಡ್ z is equal to 1 ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Mod z is equal to 1 in z plane is mapped into the W plane, that is real axis means v is equal to 0 and W plane ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So consider given transformation W is equal to I into 1 minus z divided by 1 plus z. Now take the cross multiplication and simplify for z, then we get z is equal to I minus W whole divided by W plus I. Now substitute W and Z value. Otherwise, here Z is equal to I minus W divided by W plus I. Here put Z is equal to X plus I, IY, and W is equal to U plus IV and simplify. Otherwise, we can also be substitute mod Z value also. Mod Z value, because here they given what is the image of the Z plane? Unit circle. Unit circle means x square plus y square is equal to 1. That can also be written as mod z is equal to 1. ಆ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ mod z ಅಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ mod z is equal to 1. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ z ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಟು W ಪ್ಲೇನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ mod z is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ z is equal to? Z is equal to I minus W divided by W plus I. I minus W divided by W plus I. Now, I minus W, modulus of I minus W divided by W plus I can, by using the property, this can be written as mod of I minus W whole divided by mod of W plus I. Now, take the cross multiplication and substitute W value. Here, I minus U minus IV is equal to U plus I into V plus 1. By using the property of modulus or definition, this can be written as square root of U square plus 1 minus V whole square is equal to U square plus V plus 1 whole square. Square root cancel. Remaining is U square plus 1 here. 1 minus V whole square is 1 square plus V square minus 2V. U square plus A plus B whole square formula. V square plus 1 plus 2V. Here U square cancel, V square cancel, and also plus 1 cancel. Remaining is minus 2V is equal to plus 2V. Minus 2V is equal to plus 2V. Take plus 2V that side. We get minus 2V is equal to 0. That is minus 4V is equal to 0. Means V is equal to what? V is equal to 0. This represent the real axis. U plus IV is the U and V are the coordinate of W plane. V is equal to 0 means what? This is nothing but V is equal to 0 means it is a real axis in W plane. Take the one more problem. Prove that W is equal to Z minus I divided by Z plus IZ minus 1 maps unit circle with center origin in W plane is mapped onto the real axis in Z plane. ಅಲ್ಲಿ Z ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ W ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ W ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, Z ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ W ಪ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್, ಇದ್ರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ Z ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ Z ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ Z ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಂದರೆ y is equal to 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. therefore consider the given transformation W is equal to Z minus I divided by IZ minus 1. Here, what is the given? W plane image is given. What is W plane image? Unit circle with center as origin. That is nothing but mod W is equal to 1. Now, substitute W value here. Substitute the W value here. Z minus I divided by IZ minus 1 under the mod. By using this property, mod of Z minus I divided by mod of IZ minus 1. Take the cross multiplication. Now what is Z? Z is X plus IY. X plus I into Y minus 1 is equal to mod of Ix minus Y minus 1. By using the modulus property or modulus definition, this can be written as square root of x square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to square root of y plus 1 whole square plus x square. Root can cancel, remaining is x square plus y square plus 1 square is 1 minus 2y is equal to y square plus 1 plus 2y plus x square. Again x square plus y square get cancelled with RHS, plus 1 is also get cancelled, remaining is minus 4y is equal to 0. That is y is equal to 0. This is the image in Z plane. So ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So these are the reference textbook. Thank you.